2008 Lexus RX 350 luxury SUV. Pretty gold metallic paint. No cosmetic defects that I can see. Tinted windows, roof crossbars, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, rear bumper protector, cargo mat with shade, power tailgate, nice light tan leather interior, wood grain trim throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver's seat. Heated front row seats, upgraded Alpine stereo with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, hands-free Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, steering wheel controls, auto headlights, just under 103,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Y'all come out and see us. There you go.